You know, getting a Microsoft certification, it can be an absolute game changer for your career. But let's be real, there's one big thing that gets in the way, that hefty price tag. But what if you could just get rid of that barrier completely? Well, today, we're going to show you exactly how to get these incredibly valuable credentials without spending a dime. So take a look at this number. In India, that's pretty much what you're looking at for one fundamental Microsoft exam. And for a lot of us, that's a pretty big deal. It's like the toll you have to pay just to prove your skills, and man, does it add up fast. But what if that cost just disappeared? Seriously, what if you could get that exact same career-boosting certification for absolutely nothing? Well, guess what? You can. And in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can do it. All right, here's our game plan for today. We're going to start with why these vouchers are such a big deal in the first place. Then we'll dive into the two main ways to get them, the corporate route using something called ESI, and the public route, which is open to everyone. After that, we'll walk you step by step through actually claiming your exam. And stick around, because at the end, we've got some pro tips you absolutely do not want to miss. Okay, first things first. Let's talk about why these vouchers even matter. It's all about value versus cost, right? We know a certification is a powerful tool for anyone in tech, but does that benefit really justify the price tag? Let's get into it. Look, there's no doubt about it. Microsoft certifications are one of the best ways to give your career a serious boost. It's like a stamp of approval, you know? It's concrete proof of your skills. It shows employers you really know your stuff. The value? It's huge. The problem, as we just saw, has always been the cost. And that's where these vouchers come in and just change the entire game. All right, let's jump into the first major path. And honestly, it's the most direct and valuable one out there. So if you happen to work for a company that partners with Microsoft, you're going to want to lean in for this one. This is for you. So this path is all about something called the Enterprise Skills Initiative, or ESI for short. Think of it as a special program Microsoft has for its big business customers to help their employees get up to speed on new skills. And the best part? It often includes top-notch training and, you guessed it, free or seriously discounted exam vouchers. So, you're probably wondering, do I have access to this? Well, finding out is super, super simple. All you have to do is go to esi.microsoft.com. That's it. Try logging in with your work email. If it lets you in, boom! Congratulations, you've just hit the jackpot. You've unlocked a whole world of resources. And listen, this is about way more than just a free exam. The training you get through ESI is legit. I mean, check out what this user on Reddit had to say. I use ESI and it is awesome. The people that teach these courses are absolutely experts in their field, always engaging, always fun. You see, you're learning from the best of the best. That's a huge perk. Okay, now for a really important update. You know how these things go. Programs change. It used to be that ESI was pretty much a guaranteed 100% discount, but as of March 2023, that shifted for a lot of companies to a 50% discount. So here's the key takeaway. You have to log into your ESI portal and see what the specific deal is for your company right now. Okay, so maybe you just checked and you don't have ESI access. Don't sweat it. Not even a little bit, because there's another path, and this one is open to literally everyone. We're talking about Microsoft's public training days and skills challenges. So with this public path, you've got two main choices. First up, you have the Microsoft Virtual Training Days. These are basically live, online webinars you just attend, and you are guaranteed to get a 50% discount voucher for the fundamental exams. It's a sure thing. Then you have the Microsoft Skills Challenges. These are more self-paced. You learn on your own time. You complete the challenge and you get a chance to earn a 100% free voucher. The catch? It's not guaranteed. So you've got to decide, a guaranteed 50% off or a shot at a full 100% freebie. The choice is yours. All right, so you've done the work, you've earned your discount, whether it's 50% or the full 100%. Awesome. Now comes the really important part. How do you actually use it to book your free exam? Let's walk through it step by step. Okay, so here we go. First, you're going to head to the exam page on Microsoft Learn. From there, you'll click Schedule with Pearson VUE. Now, pay close attention to this next part because it's critical. When you fill out your personal profile, the name you use must match your government ID. I mean, exactly. No nicknames.
Okay, then at checkout, if you have an ESI discount, it should pop up automatically. For everyone else, you'll see a little box for a voucher or promo code. Just pop your code in there, hit apply, and watch that price just drop to zero. It's a beautiful thing.
And hey, this really, really works. I mean, look at this comment from someone on Reddit. Thanks for this. Already booked the AS 303 and 304 for free. People out there in the community are using these exact steps to get major certs for free. If you're looking for a sign to go for it, this is it. We are almost at the finish line, but before you click away and book that exam, I've got some essential pro tips for you. These come straight from the community, and trust me, they can save you a ton of headaches. Okay, get ready. This is pure gold right here. Tip number 1, always link your ESI or work account to a personal Microsoft account. Why? So you get to keep your certifications if you ever change jobs. They're yours. Number 2, your company does not get charged or even notified when you use an ESI voucher. This is a benefit for you. 3, these vouchers have expiration dates. Don't let them go to waste. Book that exam. Oh, and here's a good one. If you don't get a voucher email, don't panic. Check the exam portal directly. Sometimes the discount is just sitting there waiting for you. And finally, if you're taking the exam online from home, please run a system test first. The last thing you want is a tech meltdown on exam day. And one more bonus tip for you. Pearson VUE sometimes has these free retake offers, but just know they usually don't work with the ESI discounts. So there you have it. You've got the roadmap, you've got the methods, and you've got all the insider tips. The biggest barrier, the cost, is officially gone. So the only real question left is, which new skill are you going to master first? Go get 'em!